Hello everyone, welcome to the MP Tool introduction. Today I will introduce the use of MP Tool and MP Client Tool. MP Tool and MP Client Tool are used for mass production programming. The two tools both support our TL87XX series of chips. MP Tool is a UI tool with a graphical interface, making it more intuitive. It integrates with Flash Map Generate Tool and Pack Tool. However, the automation for mass production in MP Tool is limited and maybe there is need third-party software, and it is only supported on the Windows platform. MP Client Tool is a command line tool based on text. Although it does not integrate other tools, users can achieve more functionality through scripts, such as automating mass production. Additionally, MP Client Tool supports cross-platform use. Since it is text-based, users can easily integrate MP Client Tool into their own software. MP Tool supports two modes, MP Mode and Debug Mode. MP Mode is for MP downloading in mass production. Debug Mode is for RD downloading and provides additional functions. MP Client Tool does not differentiate between modes. Users can use it by entering commands as needed. Firstly, we will introduce main functions in MP Tool and MP Client Tool. Multiports download, file type check, and eFuse burning are supported in both MP Tool's MP Mode and MP Client Tool. MP Tool's Debug Mode and MP Client Tool both support burn separate file, erase flash, read flash back, and address check. Config file set is supported only in MP Tool's Debug Mode. Multiport download allows for simultaneous programming of multiple chips, enhancing production efficiency. MP Tool supports downloading up to 24 ports, and users can modify the most connection ports in the setting menu. Users can start multiple MP client processes to meet the demand for simultaneous download. Before downloading, MP Tool and MP Client Tool will check the file type to prevent burning incorrect files. The file type check for MP Tool is performed when setting parameters. Before downloading, it is necessary for RD to set the project name, packet file, BT address, user data, baud rate, eFuse, and erase type. If the file type is incorrect, it cannot be locked. The file type check for MP Client is conducted before burning. If the file type is incorrect, MP Client will stop the burning process and return an error code. In addition to manually setting parameters, MP Tool offers a simpler method load setting file. This approach prevents the issue of burning failures due to incorrect parameter settings at the factory. To store encryption keys and other sensitive information, enhance chip security, MP Tool and MP Client Tool support eFuse file programming. MP Tool and MP Client Tool both support eFuse file programming and specified content programming. MP Tool and MP Client Tool support burning a single image file. After importing the file into the MP Tool, it will read the address in the file and check the IC type. If the IC type is incorrect, it will be highlighted in red to alert users. MP Client Tool can burn a single image file by specifying an address or configuring a JSON file. The erase function can erase the flash at the user-specified location. MP Tool and MP Client Tool both support chip erase and select erase. Chip erase will erase all data in the entire flash. Select erase requires entering the address and size to erase the data in that specific area. Users can choose according to their needs. If the IC behaves abnormally after programming, users can use the read function to read back the flash for quick troubleshooting. MP Tool supports saving flash data to readback.bin. MP Client tool supports both saving the flash data to a specified file and displaying the content in the window. Both MP Tool and MP Client tool perform address check, but the content of their checks differs. MP Tool compares whether the addresses in the image in the flash map are the same, while MP Client tool checks for overlapping addresses. The flash map is generated by the Flash Map tool, and before clicking Confirm, the tool also checks for overlapping addresses. Config file set is supported only in MP Tool's debug mode. The config file can be directly burned to flash in debug mode or used to compose a packet file. Users can choose configurations based on their actual needs. The config settings interface includes normal, layout, stack, power and log. After the user completes the configuration and clicks the Confirm button, a config file is generated, which will automatically load into MP Tool. Additionally, the load bin function supports reading back the configuration options from a previous config file. The download flow in MP Tool's MP Mode and MP Client is as follows. Step 1. Users first prepare the download environment. Step 2. Then, the package file is downloaded. Step 3. If the download is successful, the process ends and the device powers off. Step 4. If the download fails, the operation can be retried. MP Tool. Parameters are configured before programming. MP Client tool. The corresponding command line parameters are entered before programming. The download flow in MP Tool's debug mode is as follows. Step 1. Users first set the flash map or load a flash map. Step 2. Then, users need to set the config or load a config. Step 3. Load the image files to be programmed into MP Tool. Step 4. Select interface, default is UART. Step 5. Detect the port and ensure the port status is ready. Step 6. Open the port and ensure the port status changes to OK. Step 7. Click Download to start downloading. The next burning can directly start from detecting port. Next, we will introduce downloading user data. Users can burn custom data through the user data function. MP Tool's MP Mode, Debug Mode, and MP Client all support custom data downloading. The relevant settings need to be made on the user data page. Please note that the data on the user data page needs to be programmed other than the planned flash map area, and users need to ensure that there is no address conflict. On the user data page of MP Tool, users can also burn SN number, name or string file. Finally, we will introduce common issues and their solutions. Errors may occur when using MP Tool for downloading. Please note that status 0 indicates failure, status 1 indicates success, and if DW event 0x102 appears, it indicates a timeout. After executing an operation, MP Client tool returns an integer value, which represents different outcomes. 0 indicates success, while a non-zero value indicates failure. If MP Tool displays open port failed or MP Client returns 5, it indicates a failure to open. The following are some common handling methods for the exception. Incorrect hardware connection, invalid port, chip in normal mode, or inconsistent chip type may all result in open failure. Users need to check the hardware connection, port device, and chip type. If all are ineffective, then they can try to pull down P03 and reset MCU, then detect and open port again. If the download fails, users can supply power to the UART using a stable power source, or pull down P03 and reset MCU, then detect and open port again. If the error still exists, users can use Debug View to reproduce the error and capture the log. Then just send the log to Realtek. Thank you for your listening.